Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you a very interesting vegan recipe. So what I'm making today is a dish that's very close to my heart. It's a recipe from my granny, and thank you Mama. So I'm making vegetarian biryani or vegetarian pulao, whatever you want to call it. It's vegan, it has tons of vegetables and basmati rice. So let's begin by taking a look at the ingredients. So the ingredients you'll be needing for this recipe are frozen peas, frozen green beans, you can also use them fresh if you like, 1 large potato, 1 large carrot. I'm using 3 green chilies, 1 onion, 2 big cloves of garlic, ground pepper, and the spices are jeera. I have a cinnamon stick, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 cardamom pods, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon, I think 1.5 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup basmati rice. I'm soaking this rice since 15 minutes now. And then you'll need some oil as well. You can use either vegetable or sunflower oil for this recipe. So I'm just going to chop my onion into 4 big pieces because we're going to grind this, so I don't have to chop them into tiny pieces. And then ginger as it is to my bowl. 3 green chilies, just removing the stem. And 2 cloves of garlic. I'm just gonna remove the peel of the garlic. Okay, so now I have my onions, ginger, garlic, and green chili. I'm just going to grind this into a coarse paste. Just grind it for maybe 2-3 seconds. You don't need a smooth paste for this. So I'll come back with that. Alright, so now let's start making the pulao. I'm going to turn my pan on medium high and add my vegetable oil. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil. This recipe does require a little more of oil than your usual ones, but it's okay. So now that I've added my oil, this pan is going to heat up, and after which I'm going to add in my jeera first. Along with my whole spices, so I'm also adding cinnamon, bay leaves, cardamom, and cloves. Wow, already starting to smell so good. Now I've added my masala paste to the mixture. I'm going to let it fry for about 7 minutes on a low flame. Remember to keep stirring it in between so that it doesn't burn. Meanwhile, I'm going to start chopping my vegetables. So I already have my frozen beans and peas. So I have to chop potato and carrot. I like to chop them into stripes, but of course you can do any shape you like. So let's begin. So now I'm done chopping vegetables, which is the biggest task of the dish really. And I'm going to check on my masala paste if it's fried. before I can add my veggies into it. Okay, now my masala paste looks fried. Now I'm going to add all my veggies into it. So I have onion, carrot, beans, green peas, and potato. Give this a nice mix. Now I'm going to add some black pepper. I really like the punch of black pepper in all my dishes. And also my salt. I'm going to let my veggies fry along with the masala paste for 5 minutes, after which I'll add my soaked basmati rice. My vegetables have been frying for 5 minutes now, and I'm going to add my soaked basmati rice. I've taken 1 cup of rice, so I'm going to add 2 cups of water. I'm just going to mix the rice and vegetables together. And this is how it looks once I've added my rice to the vegetables. I'm now going to pour 2 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, I'm going to simmer it down and let it cook for 15 minutes. And then our pulao should be ready. So my pulao has been cooking on a low flame for 15 minutes now. I put the lid on and it looks like it's ready. So let's take a look. I hope you guys try it out because it's a home style recipe and you can't easily find it outside in the restaurants. It's my granny's recipe once again. Thank you, Mama. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.